Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view QR code for sending and receiving Bitcoin in Bither. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, type in your PIN code to get access to your wallets. To view your QR code for receiving or sending the Bitcoin, select the wallet you want to see the QR code. And at the top right corner, you will see a small QR code. Tap on it and the QR code will be enlarged. You will get the two buttons at the bottom of the QR code. Click on the first button to share your QR code to others. And click on the second button to save your QR code on your gallery or photos application. After that, you can send the QR code for receiving the cryptocurrencies. And that is how you can view and use the QR code for sending and receiving Bitcoin in Bither wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.